lochinvar boiler. So that's the final product here. So as we see here, so the system is running 53% flame, which this is designed for low temp in-floor heat. So we have the glycol system, as we see, neutralization kits and the piping, everything. It's inside this box here, all the pump, the closest prestige, and all the requirements. So also we did install the navien here, water here. Temperature is 125, as we see. So neutralization kit, gas line, all of this is propane. This is run of propane. All our lines, this has been run to the flow drain. As we see, pressure reducing valve, backflow prevention. This is the inflow manifold, wireless control valve. So we have 8 zone valve here. As we see, we have call for heat. This one is not, this one is satisfied. The rest of the zone valve are calling for heat. So this system here is working too. So we have the hollow 5-stage water treatment. So this is up in fair play. This is a gas line, individual gas line for the boilers, the boiler, as well as the tankless water heater. So this is the finished product for the final installation. All this system, it is run with propane. So we are very glad